Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by inviting Luna and preparing Discord so the bot can act. First, invite Luna with bot and applications. Command scopes and grant manage roles and send messages. This allows role changes and responses. Next, create a Luna role and place it above any roles it will manage, then enable gateway intents if the bot needs member data. Once done, pick a single command testing channel and run /help or ping to confirm Luna appears and responds. That proves the connection and permissions are correct. Now you configure Luna's core features so it behaves as you expect. Start by choosing a prefix or fully enabling /commands. Make sure you don't run both to avoid collisions. Enable modules you need, for example moderation, auto roles, music, and logging, then fine-tune each module's channel and permission scope. Map moderation commands to your moderator role and restrict admin-only functions. Once configured, test each key command in a staging channel to validate behavior and adjust cooldowns, limits. Finish by locking down your setup and verifying reliability. Export or backup Luna's configuration if the bot supports it, then simulate real events. New member joins, mutes, bans, and automated announcements so you see outcomes end to end. Make incremental tweaks to timeouts and messages, and set up a simple log channel for audit trails. If something goes wrong, check the obvious. Bot role order in the server, granted permissions, gateway intents, and any command or cooldown conflicts. Fixing one of those usually resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.